what I call the basic stall drill. The end result of the drill, so it's a series of things that leads to being able to do alternating split time stalls like this, starting with either hand. So I'm pretty sure you know how to do the basic stuff. Like if you take your left hand, you can stall, circle, stall, circle, stall, circle, stall, circle. Then same thing with the right hand. Stall, circle, stall, circle, stall, circle, stall, circle. This. If you start with both poi in overhand, you keep your right one spinning and you do the stall, circle, circle with the left hand. So the right one is just staying in overhand while the left one continues to do the stall, circle, circle. Let's do version 2. Version 2 is the left hand stays in overhand and then the right hand is going to stop and then the right hand comes up in underhand and then the right hand is going to stop and then the right hand comes up in overhand. Or the right hand is going to stall, come up in circle, stall, come up in circle, stall, come up in circle, stall, come up in circle. This is using what we did last week, taking your right hand, doing this chest high transition. What I want you to do is take the right hand, flip it behind, but hold it there. So the two poi are parallel to each other. The right one's behind you, the left one's in front of you. Or overhand, the right one does a figure 8 back behind you. They should still be in opposite direction. Here like this, you flip the right one out and turn right 90 degrees. So now you should be facing sideways. Now, your left hand's overhand, your right hand is underhand. Now, keep your left one spinning, stop your right poi, or stall it, and then go into an overhand weave. So now you just did a transition from a butterfly to an overhand weave. So let me demonstrate it for you. I'll show you front view so that you can see what it looks like. I'm in an overhand butterfly. It's coming down from the top. It's going inward at the top. I flip my right hand behind, I stall my right poi, and then I go into an overhand weave. And if I did that at speed, it would be something like this. Don't blink, because it'll be pretty quick. So 5, 6, 7, 8, take out, stall, weave. Right, so I'm in my butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8, take out, stall, weave. And I'm doing that really quick, because what I'm doing with my right hand is this. And if you just want to do the right hand to practice it, I'm here in the butterfly, I flip it behind, immediately stall, and then go into my weave. Now, we're going to get back from this weave into the overhand butterfly. So here's what we'll do. From the weave, facing the side, you open it up, and then you can stall your right hand behind like that, or you could do a little fancy thing where you stall between your legs, and then you turn and go into overhand butterfly. Right, so if you looked at this from the front, and I showed it to you, front view, I'm in the weave, I'm going to open it up to the side, stall, turn, come into overhand butterfly. And when you do your stall, make sure you turn left 90 degrees to get back into the butterfly. Just like you do your takeout, turn right, stall, go into the weave, you open up the weave, stall, turn left, come into butterfly. Take out, turn right, stall right, go into the overhand weave, then open it up, stall your right poi, turn left, come into overhand butterfly. Starting from the underhand butterfly, underhand this time. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn to the left. Take your left one out. Turn left. Your left hand will be overhand. Your right hand will be underhand. Then we're going to stall the right hand and then come into the overhand weave. So you still end up in your overhand weave. And then open it up. Still stall your right poi. And now turn back to the right, flip the left one in, and come into underhand butterfly. Let's do that again. We're in underhand butterfly here, and let me show you this from the front so that you can at least see what it looks like. Okay, you're in underhand butterfly. You take your left hand, bring it back behind in that figure 8. You turn left, you stall right, you come into your overhand weave, open up the weave, stall your right poi, flip the left one back in, and you're back in underhand butterfly. So let's drill that a couple times. You're in underhand butterfly here. Flip the left one out. Left is overhand, right is underhand. Check your work. Okay, work is okay. Then we stall the right poi forward, then come into overhand weave. Then you can take your overhand weave, open it up, stall your right poi back, turn right, come into underhand butterfly. And then you can just take a moment, come into your underhand hip reel, which I know you have really well. Then come back into your butterfly, and we'll do it again. Flip the left one out, turn left 90 degrees, stall your right poi, come into your overhand weave, then open up your overhand weave, and then stall your right poi, turn right, come into underhand butterfly, and then come into your underhand opposite hip reel again. We'll do 3 more sets. So come into your underhand butterfly, flip your left poi out, stall your right poi forward, come into your overhand weave, and then open up your overhand weave, stall your right poi backward, turn to the right, come into underhand butterfly, come into your hip reel, whoop, 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 come back into your butterfly, take your left hand out in that figure 8, turn left 90 degrees, stall your right poi, come into overhand weave, open up your weave, stall your right poi backward, turn to the right, come into the underhand butterfly again, bring it into your hip reel, and then last set, we're going to come into underhand butterfly again, figure 8 the left poi back behind, turn left, stall right, overhand weave, open up the weave, stall your right back, turn right, underhand butterfly, then underhand hip reel. So the front view of that is like this, underhand butterfly, and then you turn with the left, stall with the right, overhand weave, stall your right hand behind you, turn right, come into your underhand butterfly, move it into your hip reel, and you could even repeat the combo, boom, 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 boo-doo-boo-doom, stall back, zook, turn, butterfly, back to your hip reel, and then now I'll do the same thing where I go between the leg with the stall coming out of the weave. So I take out, stall to the weave. Now I'm going to stall between the legs, turn to the right, come into the underhand butterfly, still come into that hip reel, and then I can again repeat the combination, underhand butterfly, take out left, stall right, overhand weave, stall between the legs again, and then turn, underhand butterfly, and then your hip reel again. So, boom.